Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install app that allows you to create or extract RAR and zip archives in Samsung Galaxy A03. And to do this you will need to get the Google Play Store open, then find the app called RAR, it's RAR. You should be able to install it. When it's ready, click on the open, scroll down and allow to all files access to the app and go back. Then allow to send notifications and dismiss this one. From here, this app should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.